Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. One love with better style. Today na the new day, the new date wey the federal government of Nigeria come put as the day for democracy. Now go be May 29 again wey dem dey celebrate Democracy Day. E go be June 12. This na the same June 12, 1993 wey Abiola win election wey dem cheat am, wey General Sani Abacha and Babangida, General Ibrahim Babangida do wuru-wuru wey dem take cheat am, wey Abacha take overthrow. Now, e don dey history. E don dey say people don dey agitate dey come since. Example, Gani Fawayemi San, senior advocate of Nigeria, before he die. Femi Falana, senior advocate of Nigeria, wey still dey alive now. And some other human rights activists don dey struggle this thing dey come since 1993 to make sure say they put this June 12 as Democracy Day. No be new thing Buhari do for us, no be big thing. Na wetin any government or any president for fit do or go fit do at any time. E just that say Obasanjo no use him mind, or Obasanjo no do the right thing. Obasanjo for fit still do am, Yar'Adua for fit still do am, and Jonathan for fit still do am. Any president for fit do am. Buhari don think say he no get the way he wan take penetrate the West again for this 2019 election. Now he go pack kangaroo pattern and kangaroo strategy, come give MKO Abiola GCON, come give Gani Fawayemi CON, and one Baba Ghana Kingibe CON award. Now this na strategy wey Buhari wants to take buy the Yoruba and the West for 2019 election, because the Alaafin of Oyo dey that ceremony wey dem for give them this award today and today dem dey do na be the main Democracy Day now wey dem wan hold the conference. E don approve that name about 5 days ago, but na today on the 12th wey be June 2018 na be the main ceremony. The Alaafin of Oyo and other dignitaries don dey there as we dey talk now. Make we not, because of this Democracy Day, come go lose track, come go sell our birthright, come go comot for line. No, most especially the West people. Buhari don fail, Buhari don fail. Make Buhari go, make we use am do example. Make the country for the day restructure. Not be by mouth or take do restructuring. Na to create good example, make we for follow. Yes, another good news before I continue. Senator Dino Melaye don win again, the senator from Kogi West. Those people wey come talk say na Senator Dino Melaye dey give them gun, dey sponsor their affair, wey dem take dey do criminal act and dey disturb for politics for Kogi State. Dem don talk, one of them don talk now say Senator Dino Melaye no get hand for inside. Say dem talk, say make him talk, say Senator Dino Melaye get hand, or na him dey sponsor dem. Say na lie him lie against Senator Dino Melaye. Thank God for freedom. Thank God for the truth, and thank God for reality. That aside, back to Democracy Day. On my own, to me, instead of giving an honor to a dead man, a GCON, the federal government of Nigeria go pronounce Abiola the winner of the winner of 1993 election. Wey lead to this June 12 now, wey they take kill Abiola. E go be federal government or Buhari go pronounce Abiola the winner, and they go compensate him family for wasting his life. And if president dey collect any salary as entitlement, they go pay Abiola for that 4 years wey supposed to take rule as a civilian government. They go pay him in due salary, and they go reward the family. Because not before mouth you say you don give am GCON, person wey don die, I wan take manifest with him GCON. How the family wan feel now say dem waste their papa life? And El Mustapha, one of the closest person to General Sani Abacha when he dey alive, he come out talk say the Yoruba leaders and some top people for Nigeria come collect money for Aso Rock 24 hours before they kill Abiola. My brothers and sisters, this one not be play go here, play come here. Let's not be deceived by Buhari strategy. Let's send Buhari back to Douala where he come from. Let's start doing the right thing. Let's go and get our PVC card. May they not use this June 12 and Democracy Day to deceive us. We get a long way to go to take restructure Nigeria. Not be this wayo honor wey they give now. Want to bribe Yoruba people for 2019 election. Now they know if they buy to that idea. But me, I dey tell una, make una not listen to this style wey Buhari bring come. And another person again, na Barrister Keyamo, na senior advocate of Nigeria, na SAN. Right from time, Barrister Keyamo, na human rights activist, he dey talk about the good things of Nigeria. He dey talk about the way government take dey maltreat people. He dey try to dey talk positive, make Nigeria for better. The last 2 months now, Buhari come make am a campaign manager for 2019 election. Since that day, Barrister Keyamo don turn to bad person. Barrister Keyamo dey lie now. Lai Mohammed don teach Barrister Keyamo the new style. Barrister Keyamo no dey straightforward again if he dey talk. Barrister Keyamo dey twist word now. Barrister Keyamo dey cover all the bad thing wey Buhari dey do with style and with English and with grammar. Barrister Keyamo no be straightforward person again. Make una take note. Yes, na so we go dey expose them day and night, one by one. We want change for Nigeria. We want good life for Nigeria. We don tire for all these people wey dey waste our life. Make una go get una BVC card. Make una go get una voters card. Make we do the right thing. Yoruba people, make una open una eye. This one na yeye style Buhari take come. Anybody, any president or any government can honor Abiola. And believe me, instead of giving him that honor, go and settle his family. Yes, and pay his due cost if there is any way to pay it. And declare him the winner of 1993 election is better than playing this trick to win the vote from the West. It will not work. Nigerians, be wise. Africa, unite. One love with better style.